Stop wasting your mornings. If your hairdryer doesn't have a 110,000 RPM brushless motor, you're literally living in the past. This is the Air Hype Light, 1500 watts of professional-grade wind speed. It doesn't rely on extreme heat that fries your hair. It uses high-velocity air to blast water away in minutes. It comes with the essential toolkit. Use the diffuser for bouncy, frizz-free curls, or the comb attachment for that sleek, just-left-the-salon blowout. It's one tool for every hair type. And the best part? It's called light for a reason. No more arm fatigue, and it fits perfectly in your carry-on for 2026 travel vibes. Fast, light, and professional.